Sorry, Dad.
What's up, buddy?
Hey Dad, I heard you were taking us to go see the 12 Apostles today.
Well, not the 12 Apostles, but close. We're going to Great Ocean Road. We're going to go hit up a beach.
Oh.
Now, yeah, the 12 Apostles, we'll go check it out another time. Same place, Great Ocean Road, but we're going to be actually there. I'm right next to them, but it's the busy season, so everybody's going to be kind of parked there checking them all out. They're one of the most beautiful things. Now, do you know the Great Ocean Road, where we're going to go to the beach? It's the longest, biggest, actually, war memorial in the world. So I thought that was a pretty cool fact. And the other cool thing about it is, you know, there's not 12 apostles. There's actually only 8. There used to be 9. One crumbled down. I can't remember when, but probably before my time here. But anyway, we'll go down. We'll go for a swim at the beach and have a good time. Should be perfect weather for it. Hello? You boys there? Hello? Anybody there?
Ready?
Ready? Done.
day at the beach?
Yeah.
All right. Who's hungry?
Me.
All right, now what you know what to do, find some place to eat.
How does Indian sound? Oh,
It sounds like this.
so how do we think dinner was, everybody?
Yeah, good.
Yeah, really good. I liked it.
I liked it.
Yeah.
Ryan, out of 5?
4.6.
Really?
Pretty good.
I'll give it a 4. I'll
Okay.
give it a
4.2.
4. Right.
I was thinking around a 3.5.
Really?
Fair enough. But didn't look like a restaurant much,
Yeah.
but the food I thought was excellent and they were super friendly.
Yeah.
But I think it's a 4. Ryan rates it a 4.6. Rager. That's an awesome score. So your perfect restaurant, it's near your perfect restaurant, is it?
Yeah.
All right, well maybe we'll be going back there. We'll